That's great. Okay, so for making a game, first of all, we need to choose a backdrop. So let's choose a backdrop. Okay, I'm choosing underwater too. You can choose other backdrops if you want. Okay, so our backdrop is in place. Then we'll choose a sprite, and we'll also choose a thing that the sprite will collect, which will lead to scores.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. Okay, I'm choosing a fish as a sprite, and now I'm gonna choose an object that it will touch, which will lead to scoring. So let's choose a small object like a star or a ball. You can choose anything.
Excuse
Let
me, teacher, where to choose from?
Yes.
Where to choose from?
I can't hear you.
Where to choose from?
Okay. From here we have a small option with a cat and a plus here at the bottom. We can choose a sprite from here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So let's choose a sprite which our fish will collect. Okay. I'll change the size of the fish. I want it to be a bit smaller. We can change the size from here. The size currently is 100. I'm gonna change it to 90. Okay, so the you can see that the fish. Walaikum assalam. So you can see that the fish is considerably smaller. So let's start programming. To make a game, we have to be really careful while programming, because if we have not programmed it correctly, it won't work properly. So first of all, we'll go to events. Like there, it is written when space key is pressed, but I'll change it to when up arrow is pressed.
Ma'am, can you send the link?
For what, Nafi?
Scratch 3. So if I'm using tablet, I don't have Scratch 3.
Okay, I'll share the link. Just wait a second. Just a second. Nafi, it's shared on the group. Let me share it with you again on the chat. Just a second, Nafi. I'm sharing with the link with you. It's in the chat box. You can download the scratch right now. So let's continue. Okay. So when up arrow is pressed, we'll change Y by 30. We can change it by other number too, but right now I'm gonna change it by 30. Here is our option like change x by dash, change x to, change y by, and change y to. So I'm gonna change y by 30. Okay. Then any questions?
From where to choose background?
We will choose background from here. There's a small option. Uh, can you see it?
Okay.
So we'll choose the backdrop from here, and then you can choose any backdrop you want. Okay, so now yes.
It says when I open it says error, invalid number.
You can use Scratch Online. I guess it's scratch.mid.edu. Let me just
I
check
have
it.
the normal Scratch, but I don't have Scratch 3.
So which
Okay.
Scratch do you have?
It's normal Scratch.
Okay, so
Just
it's okay. You can use that Scratch too. It doesn't matter really.
okay.
Okay, so let's start. Now we have said when up arrow key pressed, change y by 30. So let's check. Is it working? Just a second. There's some problem. Can you see my screen?
No, miss.
Just a second. I don't know why. Okay, let me check. You can't see my screen.
No.
Now can you see it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, perfect. So when up arrow key pressed, change y by 30. So let's see, is it working? I don't know why it's stuck. Look, it's working. Now we'll do because if we need to go up, we'll need to go down by playing the game. So we'll say when down arrow key pressed. Wait a second.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you do everything from start because I had to just download Scratch.
Okay, have you downloaded it?
Yes, I've downloaded it now.
Okay, perfect. First, we'll choose a backdrop from here.
Okay, and yes, I know the backdrop thing.
Okay, and then choose a sprite. Choose two sprite. One should be the sprite which will collect the object, which will help you to score, and the other should be the one which will help you to score. जैसे आपने टॉम एंड जेरी खेला सॉरी सबवे सर्फर खेला हुआ
Okay.
होगा तो उसमें एक बंदा होता है वो भाग रहा होता है कॉइन्स के पीछे और जैसे कॉइन्स कलेक्ट होते हैं तो वो स्कोर होता है ना मतलब प्लस हो जाता है ना कॉइन के ऊपर okay so let's do it because when we'll go up we'll need to go down okay so when down arrow key pressed अब हमने तो पहले कर लिया change y by 30 अब हम
Excuse
प्लस
me?
करेंगे yes
My code is not working.
आपने क्या किया कोड में
I wrote all this what you have written down.
okay so let me finish and if your problem won't be solved then we'll see it and try to figure out something so when down arrow key pressed अब हमने जब up arrow key press की थी तो हमने change y हमने प्लस नंबर से चेंज किया था तो ये ऊपर गया अब हम माइनस नंबर से चेंज करेंगे ताकि वो नीचे जाए we'll go again to motion and then we'll choose change y by I'll keep the number same. Like if I've used 30, I'll keep 30. If I've used 10, I'll keep 10. So I'll write minus 30. Now let's see, is it working? I press the up key, it's going up, and I press the down key, it's going down. Any queries? No? Okay, so let's proceed. अब हमने ऊपर नीचे तो कर लिया. Now we have to go right or left. So for this, we'll use the similar process, but we'll change x this time because हमने y change कर लिया. Y ऊपर नीचे के लिए use कर लिया. अब हम x change करेंगे क्योंकि y ऊपर नीचे
It
के
is
लिए.
mandatory to write 30.
What?
Do we have to write 30 also?
No, it's not mandatory, but you can write another number like 10, 20. It will say मतलब आपको कितना ऊपर जा रहा है. अगर हम इसको नंबर को चेंज कर लेते हैं, 10 कर देती हूँ मैं. मगर आपके जो ऊपर नीचे दाएं बाएं हम जिस तरह फोर्स डायरेक्शन होंगे ना, अप डाउन लेफ्ट राइट, इन तीनों के नंबर्स, इन चारों के नंबर सेम होने चाहिए. ओके, आई जस्ट डिड 10. सो लेट्स सी नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस. अब बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाएगा तो सही, लेकिन थोड़ा जाएगा. हमने 30 किया था तो थोड़ा ज्यादा जा रहा था. Let's keep it to 10 here. Okay. Please mute your mic. So now we have done up. Yes, Shabia.
This when I do up, it is going like it is going right in the right side. When I do down, it is going there.
I guess you have changed x. Have you put change y by or have you put change x by?
Let me check.
Okay, so now we have done up and down. Now we have to move left and right. So we'll do it in
Ma'am?
similar way. Yes, Nafe.
Ma'am, do we have to for the first command? Ma'am, do we have to look the when?
Yes.
I don't understand the commands.
Okay, so I'll just do it once again and then we'll move forward. I'll go to events. Here is this key, when space key press, but I'll change it to up arrow and then I'll go to motion. I'll change y by 10. So now it's going up. And then in the similar way, I'll do it.
Should we have to do to 10?
Yes.
You have to do it 10.
We can do it 10, 20, 30, any number you want. But for right, left, up and down, the number should be same. Like if we're doing 20, all four of them should be 20. Yes, Mazen?
Okay. Teacher, if you're saying like that, so why you have applied minus?
Yes, minus because I just told when we are going up, it's plus. And when we are going down, it's minus. Because if I put plus again, it won't go down because plus will make it go upwards and minus will make it go downwards. Yes, Mazen?
Teacher, when we start the game, should we press so one up arrow key pressed?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so now we'll go to events. Okay, so now we'll go to events once again. I'll choose this again, but this time I will not do it up or down. I'll do it left and right. For right, I'll do it plus, and for left, I'll do minus. But this time,
I have a query.
please wait a minute. I'll just solve all your queries. But for right and left, we'll do x. We'll change the x, not y, because up and down we'll choose y. We'll change y, and for left and right we'll change x. So we'll go to motions once again. This time I'll choose change x by 10 because it's right. It will be plus, but next time when I'll choose for left, it will be minus. Look, left arrow. Change x by minus 10. Wait a second. Let's see if it works or not. Look, when I please wait a second. So look, when I'm pressing the right arrow, it's going in the right direction. When I'm pressing left, it's going left. When I'm pressing the up arrow, it's going upwards. When I'm pressing the down arrow, it's going downwards. Yes, Mazen?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, for the right arrow, right arrow we have to set X to which number? Minus या normal?
देखें, राइट के लिए हम प्लस यूज करेंगे एंड क्या कहते हैं लेफ्ट के लिए हम माइनस. प्लस के लिए हमें प्लस लगाना जरूरी नहीं है, हम सिर्फ नॉर्मल नंबर लिख सकते हैं. लेकिन जब हम लेफ्ट के लिए करेंगे, लेफ्ट या डाउन के लिए, तो हमें माइनस लगाना जरूरी है. यस माजिन? माजिन? Okay, I don't know. So till now it's clear. Any queries, any problems?
No, miss, I'm
Yes, I have a
no.
No, ma'am, no problem.
Okay, perfect. So right now we'll need
आप
music in the
जैसे कर रही है ना, मैं बिल्कुल वैसे कर रही हूँ, बट ये मेरा बार बार गायब हो ही जा रहा है. ये जो ऑरेंज और ब्लू में लिखा है ना, ये.
अच्छा अच्छा, एक काम करो, आप मुझे ना स्क्रीन शेयर करके बताओ.
Yes, can you show it?
Vanya, just a second. Galia is showing us something. Up arrow. Change y by. Okay. So it's not working.
Yes, ये मैं थर्ड टाइम अभी इसे फिर से कर रही हूँ, वरना मैंने 2 बार किया था, दोनों बार ये गायब हो गया था. दैट्स व्हाई मुझे इसे दोबारा करना पड़ा.
अच्छा, जब आपने अप एरो लगाया था तो आपने क्या जो आपकी वो थी नंबर था, आपने उसे माइनस में लिखा था या नॉर्मल वे में लिखा था?
नॉर्मल.
ओके,
ये पहला वाला.
ठीक है.
सेकंड वाला मैंने माइनस में लिखा था.
ओके, आप मुझे प्ले करके दिखाइए.
1 मिनट. ओके.
ये इस तरह थोड़ी ना होगा प्ले. हमें तो हमने तो राइट एरो और अप एरो एंड डाउन एरो सेलेक्ट किया है ना.
यस.
तो अप एंड डाउन से करो, अप एंड डाउन से होगा.
मतलब किधर से होगा?
अप एरो और डाउन एरो से. हमारे पास 4 एरोस होते हैं ना कीबोर्ड पे, अप डाउन लेफ्ट एंड राइट. आपने आपने बॉल को क्या हुआ है? आपने बॉल को क्या हुआ है?
क्या किया है?
आपकी बॉल मूव हो रही है, आपका बियर मूव नहीं हो रहा. आपने आई गेस बॉल को कोट किया हुआ है. देखें, आपकी बॉल मूव हो रही है. देखें, आपने बॉल पे कोट किया हुआ है ना, अपने बियर पे नहीं किया हुआ. यही कोड आप बियर पे करोगी तो ऊपर नीचे होगा. और आपका बियर का साइज बहुत बड़ा है, इससे मैंने आपको बताया ऐसे साइज से छोटा कर लो. लेट मी शो वंस अगेन. तो आप उस साइज से छोटा कर लोगी तो आपका क्या कहते हैं, ऊपर नीचे आराम से हो सकेगा. हियर देखो, साइज इधर से छोटा होता है. हम जो आपको ऑब्जेक्ट छोटा करना है वो इधर से लिया और साइज इधर से हमने छोटा कर दिया. जैसे इसका इनिशियल साइज 100 होता है, आपने 90 कर दिया, 80 कर दिया. मैं 90 कर रही हूँ. Shabia, you can show it afterwards. Right now, there was some problem. That's why I saw it. So let's proceed.
Ma'am, I have a problem.
Yes, what is it?
Can you show a shading screen?
Yes, sure.
I have changed the size, but फिर भी बॉल ही मूव हो रही है.
आपने बॉल पे कोड किया हुआ है, बियर पे कोड करो. पहले बियर को डबल क्लिक करो, बियर पे जब आ जाए फिर बियर को कोड करो. परफेक्ट नाफे, वेरी गुड. ओके नाफे, दैट्स गुड.
मैंने कर लिया, फिर भी बॉल
Miss,
पे.
can I show you mine?
Please do not annotate on the screen.
Miss,
Ma'am, the
can I
commands
show you
are not
mine?
working.
The commands are not working. Two commands are not working.
आपने कौन से वाले कमांड्स आपके वर्क नहीं कर रहे? डाउन और लेफ्ट वाले ना?
Yes. The down is
आप-
left is not working.
प्लीज वेट अ सेकेंड. यस नाफे, आपके कमांड इसलिए वर्क नहीं करे क्योंकि आपने माइनस नहीं लगाया हुआ. नंबर से पहले डाउन और लेफ्ट वाले पे माइनस लगाओ. यस गालिया, आपका मुझे नहीं पता कि आपका बॉल क्यों ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है, आपका बियर क्यों नहीं हो रहा, लेकिन आप एक बार फिर से स्क्रीन शेयर करें और बॉल पे से सारे कोड्स हटा दें.
Miss, can I share mine?
प्लीज वेट अ सेकेंड अर्श. बॉल देखो, आपके बियर पे कोड ही नहीं हुआ हुआ. बियर पे कोड करो और बॉल से हटा दो.
मैम
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am, should we for the command? Is it set or change?
what?
Is it set
Change,
Y
change.
or is it
Change.
Okay.
Change Y. Yes, Mania.
Miss, I've put the up arrow and the down arrow, but I've put the right arrow and the left arrow. It is not working.
Show your screen, please. Okay, so why is not working? आपने माइनस नहीं लगाया हुआ होगा ना डाउन एरो और लेफ्ट एरो में.
Miss, can you show your screen so I can do it?
Who said it? Wait a second. एक सेकेंड मानिया, एक सेकेंड. आपने आप देखो, आप और राइट एरो में सिर्फ नंबर लिखा है, राइट? वानिया, यू आर म्यूटेड. वानिया, आप म्यूट हो. प्लीज ओपन योर माइक. ओके, डाउन एरो. ओके, सो प्ले करो.
मैंने कर तो लिया है, बट ना बेयर मूव हो रहा है ना बॉल मूव हो रही.
अच्छा, आप ऊपर नीचे करो. ये पता नहीं बियर वाले के साथ कितना मसला आ रहा है. आप बियर को छोटा कर दो, उसकी साइज को 50 कर दो, ये बहुत बड़ा है बियर. एंड देन सी इफ इट्स स्टिल नॉट वर्किंग. अब ट्राई करो. हो तो रहा है, देखो हो गया. वो बियर का साइज आपका बहुत बड़ा होगा ना, दैट्स व्हाई.
Ma'am, can you check mine?
Just a second. Okay. Perfect. Who said?
Miss, can I share mine?
मैंने कर लिया, बट ना बेयर मूव हो रहा है ना बॉल मूव हो रही.
आप बियर का साइज आप भी छोटा करके चेक करो. 50 कर दो बियर का साइज. यस नाफे.
Can you check mine?
Yes, please show. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Yes, perfect, Nafe. So let's get back to work. Any other queries?
Miss, can I share mine?
बट ये अभी भी मूव नहीं हो रहा. बेयर अभी भी मूव नहीं हो रहा.
फिर से स्क्रीन शेयर करो. अर्श, अगर कोई क्वेरी है तो फिर आप मुझसे पूछो. अभी फिर आप शो करो, वरना हम थोड़ी देर बाद देखते हैं आपका. अभी हमारे पास बहुत सारा काम बचा है. अब ऊपर नीचे करो, नहीं हो रहा.
नहीं हो रहा. मैंने
अच्छा,
अभी
आपने अप एरो किया तो आपने नंबर सिर्फ क्या डाला हुआ है?
10
और आपने डाउन एरो किया हुआ तो क्या डाला हुआ है?
-10.
तो आपको वर्क क्यों नहीं कर रहा? ट्राई करो एक बार फिर से. कभी कभार हमारा स्क्रैच अटक जाता है, जिसकी वजह से ऊपर नीचे नहीं हो पाता. आप एक काम करो, नंबर बड़ा करके देखो. आप दोनों को 30-30 कर दो.
ओके.
ओके, सो
यू मीन 30 और दूसरे में -30.
यस, दूसरे में -30 कर दो, ताकि वो थोड़ा और बड़ा स्टेप लेगा ना, तो शायद हमें दिख जाए कि प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा है. ओके, तो अब हम लोग बस थोड़ा सा और काम कर लेते हैं. अब हम यहाँ
हमने क्रिस्टल से क्या करना?
क्रिस्टल हम है ना हमारा जो फिश है वो क्रिस्टल को कलेक्ट करेगा। अब हमें क्रिस्टल को भी कोड करना है, लेकिन आज की क्लास में नहीं हो पाएगा, वो इंशाल्लाह हम कल की क्लास में करेंगे। लेकिन अभी हम बैकड्रॉप को कर लेते हैं। अब हमें पीछे साउंड लगानी है। इफ यू वांट तो हम लोग पीछे साउंड लगा सकते हैं। कैसे लगाएंगे साउंड? हम साउंड्स पे जाएंगे, रुक जाओ, साउंड पे जाएंगे और प्ले साउंड डैश, जो भी आपको साउंड। अब मुझे कोई अच्छी साउंड चाहिए तो मैं ढूंढती हूँ साउंड।
Can you help me?
Who's that? Yes, Usman Atif.
It is not working.
Okay, please share your screen.
Teacher, excuse me,
Yes,
teacher.
yes, Mazen.
I am on pop. I'm on sound and it says play sound pop until done.
Okay.
When I
Ma
click it, it's a
yes,
check and a pop.
good job. Please mute yourself. Let me solve Usman's query, then we'll go. Yes, Usman, what's the problem? Show me your code.
Two spacemen, so I've selected one, but the other one is not working.
तो आपने एक जो कोड किया वो चल रहा है?
Yes.
शो करो। हाँ तो ठीक है ना, अभी तो हमने सिर्फ एक ही कोड किया है ना, अभी हमने दूसरा थोड़ी ना किया हुआ है कोड, अभी हमने सिर्फ एक ही कोड किया है।
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, teacher, I have a problem.
Yes, what is it, Mazen?
There is a problem. It says play sound pop until done.
Yes.
So when I'm clicking, it
Yes.
does not play the sound.
Okay, let's solve this. I'm just doing it, so let's do it. Usman, please stop sharing your screen.
I have changed the size.
Did it work?
No.
Oh, I don't know why it's not working. Everyone else is. You can try it with, but you did it, na? But why is it not working? Who said that the sound pop is not playing?
Me, teacher.
Okay, so we'll go to the backdrop. We'll select this stage. When it come here, we'll say play sound until pop. But अभी हमने कोई इसको वो नहीं दिया हुआ event के कब play करना है. तो हम करेंगे when flag click play sound pop until done.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Wait a
Can you
second.
see mine?
Please wait a second. Please do not annotate on the screen. Who wants to show theirs?
Ma'am, mine after.
आप एक बार अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करके जैसे मैंने बेयर को क्लिक किया वैसा आप अपना फिश को क्लिक करके दिखा सकती हैं?
Yes, sure.
मे बी मैंने अप एरो और मतलब उसमें कुछ गलती की।
ये देखो।
Ma'am, can I show mine?
Nafi, you just showed it. Let's do our work first, and then in the end we'll see everyone.
Okay.
Ma'am, the sound one.
मैंने ये गलती की थी दैट मैंने ऊपर वाले में अप एरो की थी और नीचे वाले में भी अप एरो किया हुआ है।
Oh, that's the problem. Nafi, just a second. I'm telling you what's your problem. हम लोग देखो, आपने मसला क्या किया है? एक second. Just let me share your screen.
Ma'am,
yes.
can you see my work? The other one, the sound one.
Just a second. I'm showing you how to implement the sound. So first we'll go on events.
I know.
When flag clicked, sound play sound pop until done. मगर ये हर वक्त नहीं चलेगा, तो हमें कहाँ जाना पड़ेगा? कंट्रोल पे forever. It will work now. Let me check. Oh no, just a second. So let's see. Can you hear it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you try it. Let me see why it's not, why you can't hear it.
Teacher, it is not working.
What?
It is not working.
Let me check, please. Wait a second. Problem. Vanya, what's the problem?
Miss, again I changed the character, but it is not working.
It's not working. Why it's not working? But your worked. We just saw it, Vanya. Your worked. Yours was working. The bear was going up and down.
But it is not going left and right.
आपने
Ma'am?
गड़बड़ एक सेकंड प्लीज वेट अ सेकंड लेट मी आंसर वानिया वानिया लेफ्ट एंड राइट के लिए लेफ्ट पे हम माइनस लगाएंगे और राइट के लिए हम नॉर्मल नंबर लिखेंगे. देखो आपने यही किया हुआ है. आपने तो इधर लगाया हुआ ही नहीं है. व्हेन डैश एरो प्लस लगाओ पहले.
It
Left
is
and
still
right.
not working. It is
Left.
going only up and down. It is not working.
आप लेफ्ट और राइट एरो तो दबाओ.
I'm pressing the left and right. This is the right one.
वानिया
I'm
वानिया
pressing.
वानिया
Yes.
आपने चेंज y किया हुआ है. लेफ्ट एंड राइट के लिए हम चेंज x करते हैं.
Okay.
Now it is working for me.
Okay, that's great. Let me just.
Now can you check mine? Ma'am, now can you check mine?
Ma'am, I'm done with my work.
Ma'am, also I'm done with my work.
Okay, just a minute, relax. Now, who wants to show their work?
Me.
Okay, Samiha, please show your work. Go ahead.
Miss, now
What? Samiha, कहाँ है आपका screen? Mazen, good job. We only have 20 minutes left, so whatever queries you have, please tell so that we could solve them and move ahead.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, good job. Do you want to share your screen?
why is
Yes.
my sound not working?
I don't
Miss,
know.
I'm done too.
Okay, you're done. Good job. First let Yaya show it and then you can show yours. Yaya, please share your screen.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
I have a problem that when I play the sound pop, it is not working.
Yours is not working. Please wait a second. ये आपने एक मिनट याया. ये आपने क्या लगाया हुआ इस बीच में साउंड नीचे?
इधर भी खाली तक
याया इधर साउंड लगाओगे तो प्ले नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये बैकड्रॉप पे लगाओगे साउंड तो प्ले होगा.
Can you see my sound? Now I'm gonna show mine.
Sorry, what?
Ma'am, I am done.
Who is done? Nafe, you're done. Good job.
Yes.
So let's just code our other project so that we could move ahead. So that
Can I show mine?
yes, please.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
I have a problem. I'm on the sound pop and I don't know how can I go back.
Just a second, Mazen. Let me just see. Uh, yes, good job. Good job. Okay, Mazen.
Ma'am,
What?
can
Ma'am?
you see mine? Ma'am, can you
Uh,
see mine?
I'm not saying anyone right now. We have to complete a project. Let's just start scoring, and then in the end, in the last 10 minutes, then we'll see everyone's. Okay. Yes, Mazen. What's the problem?
I'm ready to select the song.
मैं बताती हूँ. ये देखो माजिन. आप इधर हो ना साउंड्स पे. इधर जाओ कोड पर. आप वापस आ जाओगे इधर.
Teacher, can I show mine?
Right now we don't have enough time. We have to start scoring.
From
Okay,
where
I'll
to select the
that.
song?
From where to select the
Progress.
Song.
song? Song sound हम इधर से select करते हैं इधर नीचे. But we select the sound at the end. Right now, let's just code this. Okay. अब हम लोगों को scoring करनी है. We'll go on this variables. And I'll make a variable because there is no ready-made variable. I'll make a variable score. Okay. So my variable score is ready. So I'll go on events.
Ma'am, how do you do that score? Ma'am, how do you do that score?
Okay.
Miss, I didn't understand how you.
Okay. Listen. Please mute yourself and listen. Here, there's a small option variables. It's written in second last. I'll go and click it. Let me just
Now you
delete
have
it.
to press the score. Okay, ma'am, can you please wait? I'm going to scratch.
Okay. Then there's an option make a variable. I'll click on make a variable and I'll write score. When I write score, it will give me an option for all sprites or for this sprite only. I'll go with the option for all sprites and then okay it. Here is our score. We can change it just by double tapping.
Can you show it again?
Yes, sure. We'll go and make a variable. We'll write the word score and then we'll okay it.
Teacher.
Yes.
Where's this orange thing?
It's the second last here in their variables. It's written variables.
Oh, okay.
Good. So here we'll go.
Ma'am, there's a problem.
Yes, what is it, Yaya?
Ma'am, not the screen is not working. Like there's not the backdrops are not there. There's nothing. It's just a blue screen.
Please shut it down. Please close the scratch and then open it again. It might happen. Okay, so let's go back. We have just put the score and we need to even program it. So I'm gonna
Now, ma'am, there's a black screen.
please Nafi, wait a minute. It will load. Shut it down and then open it and then wait for it. It will load. Just a second. I'm sharing my screen so that we could do the work.
Miss, there's a problem.
Yes, Samiha, what's the problem? Yes, Samiha.
When I press the left arrow, it goes down.
लेफ्ट आपने चेंज y क्या होगा देखो चेंज x करना है जब लेफ्ट एंड राइट की बात आती है तो हमें चेंज x करना होता है जब अप एंड डाउन की बात आती है तो हम चेंज y करते हैं सो लेट्स गेट बैक टू स्क्रैच अब हमने जो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है जो हमारी ये फिश कैच करेगा तो अब हम इस एक सेकंड लेट मी जस्ट ओके तो ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट है जो हमारी फिश कैच करेगा ये हम उस पे जाएंगे हम और इसको कोड करेंगे when set score to
Excuse
0.
me, teacher.
Yes,
So how do we make a game?
that's what I'm teaching you, Mazen. Okay, so we'll say when set score to 0, when flag click set scores to 0, and then we'll go forever.
Ma'am,
Yes,
when is the calligraphy class?
I don't know. I'm teaching Scratch. I don't know about the calligraphy class, but I think it's at 4.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Okay, so here we'll go. First, we'll say when flag click. Then we'll go on the variables. I'll say set my variable to 0. I'll change it to score, and then I'll put the forever block. Then I'll go to the sensing blocks. Okay, I'll go there sensing when touching. When touching dash. 1 second.
Excuse me, teacher, can you show the screen?
Yes, sure. Just a second. I don't know what happened. Let me share my screen again. Okay, so I'll put the forever block and then I'll go to control once again. I'll say if dash then dash. Okay, it is like what will I say? Conditioning. Right?
Teacher,
Yes, Mazen.
where is set score to 0?
I told you we'll go to variables. Here we have made our own variable score, and then there's an option set my variable to 0. I'll change this my variable to score. So here I have the option set score to 0.
I have set my variable to 0. I have
Yes,
that option.
yes, use that option, and then there's an arrow there. Change it to score. Look.
Okay.
Okay, good. Now we'll go to the sensing blocks. What did I do? I did when flag clicked, set score to 0. Forever, if dash, then dash. I'm doing conditioning here. Like if this happens, then this. So I'll go to the sensing. I say if touching mouse pointer, I'll use this one, but I'll change it to fish. Okay, if touching fish, where is the option? Change score by 1. Change my variable by 1. Okay.
टचिंग माउस पॉइंटर मेरे पास नहीं लिखा हुआ.
And I did too. If touching fish, my variable.
ये देखो हमारे पास ये ऑप्शन है. आपको क्या नहीं मिल रहा गालिया?
टचिंग माय पॉइंटर.
ये देखो सेंसिंग में जाएंगे. ये देखो हम सेंसिंग में जाएंगे. ये ब्लू कलर का है. हम सेंसिंग में जाएंगे. इधर है टचिंग माउस पॉइंटर. We'll click it and then we'll change it to
मेरे में नहीं लिखा हुआ.
स्क्रीन शेयर स्क्रीन दिखाओ अपनी. Just a second. Just a second, Galia. आप थोड़ा ऊपर करो सेंसिंग में.
Can you share the screen?
आपके पास ये ऑप्शन क्यों नहीं आ रहा? ये आपके पास ऑप्शन क्यों नहीं आ रहा? ओ आपके पास तो ये ऑप्शन ही नहीं आ रहा. मेरे पास तो आ रहा है. आपके पास ये और भी नहीं आ रहा कि टचिंग कलर और कलर इज टचिंग दिस देन दिस.
मैं क्या करूं?
आप कौन सा स्क्रैच यूज कर रही हो?
जैसा आपका सेम वैसे कर.
स्क्रैच 3.0 यूज कर रही हो आप?
नो, स्क्रैच 3.29.1.
आई डोंट नो ये प्रॉब्लम क्यों आ रहा है, क्योंकि ये तो हर स्क्रैच में होता है। आप एक काम करो, आप स्क्रैच ऑनलाइन यूज कर लो। ये जो लिंक मैं आपको दे देती हूँ, आप उससे ऑनलाइन यूज कर लो। उधर आप अपना साइन इन करो और आप फिर उधर यूज कर लो, तो उधर ये सारे ऑप्शंस हैं।
Ma'am,
मतलब
यस,
फिर मुझे स्टार्टिंग
ma'am,
से
what are the
करना
commands
पड़ेगा।
for the object?
प्लीज टॉक वन बाय वन। यस गालिया।
फिर मुझे सब कुछ
What are the
करना
commands?
पड़ेगा।
यस गालिया, आपको फिर सब कुछ बनाना पड़ेगा। और
Teacher, can you share the screen?
yes, I'm sharing the screen. Just 1 minute. Let me share this link with Galia so that she could use it online, as there's no option there. Okay, I'm sharing it with you, Galia. It's in the chat box. You can use it here. Yes, so now I'm sharing my screen once again, and we have to work fast because there's almost no time left. So here it is. Change my variable by 2. Sorry, by 1. Okay, change my variable by 1. So now I'll go. If it touches this, it will change my variable by 1. Just like okay, and in the I'll go to look. Please mute yourself, whoever is this. I'll go to the looks and then I'll say hide. Look, I have these two options, show and hide. Um, I have these two options, show and hide. I'm gonna hide it. Okay, now I'll program it once more. I'll say when flag clicked. Just a second. When flag clicked.
Ms.
I don't
Hafsa, sorry to interrupt you. Mashallah, the class is going very well. But we need to wind up because we have another class in 5 minutes. So you have
yes.
4 minutes to just wind up, okay?
Okay, yes, sure.
Okay,
Thank
you.
So we'll do our work tomorrow. So please do not delete this and save it with you. We'll continue working on it tomorrow. So I'll just take all of your queries. If you have any, please tell if there's any problem. If you can't access Scratch or something like that.
No.
Okay, anyone else has any problem?
No.
Ma'am, has class ended?
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
Mm.
we have to end this class now because because there's another class that has to take place. But we'll continue it tomorrow. But please do not delete it. Keep it safe so that we can work tomorrow.
Miss,
Yes.
what is the last code that you did on the crystal?
Right now, leave it there. We'll do it tomorrow. Any question? Any question?
No. No.
Okay. So meet you all tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz, teacher. Allah Hafiz.